Story 11. I asked one of the people of Baghdad what he thought of beardless youths. He replied, "There's no good in them, for when one of them is yet delicate and wanted, he is insolent, but when he becomes rough and is not wanted, he is affable. When a beardless youth is beautiful and sweet, his speech is bitter, his temper hasty. When his beard grows, he attains puberty, he associates with men and seeks affection." So see, we're not referring to the people who shave off and try to hide their manliness. We're talking about, the shyness of youth versus the boldness of, well, it's a natural stage, because as a young adult, you gain this independent morality and this ability to choose otherwise, and obviously have a chance to prove it and a chance to decide, am I going along with society, or am I going to do something different? And that can just mean a little bit here and there. It doesn't mean, oh, I'm going to rebel. No.